Okay, here we have a Conquest 20-inch disc sander. This is 1.5 horsepower, 220 volts, single phase, and it's in pretty good condition. Electrically, the motor isn't, but it still runs. We're just going to show you real quick here. This took a hit, and what had happened here, it slightly cracked the casing on the rear of the motor, okay, and the fan took a hit, and then the fan shroud got smashed pretty good. We just removed that. We'll include it, but it needs to be replaced. Also, the junction box got pushed over. Didn't affect any of the connections of the motor. We plugged it in just to see what would happen, and it does operate. Operates very nicely. You may want to change out the motor. If not, you could possibly put a new fan on here, fix this, do whatever you want with it. But in any case, we're going to fire it up to show you that it does operate. We checked it out in forward and reverse. It does operate. We're just going to do forward right now. So amazingly enough, the motor operates fine. I don't know how long it's going to operate fine, but no telling there. Checked all the mechanical functions. All the mechanical functions operate very nicely on here. Here's a miter gauge. And the table tilts up and down. Said overall it's in good mechanical condition. There's no damage to the table or the trunnions or anything like that. Just strictly the motor. And we thank you for looking at our product.